Hi, I'm Brady Yamamoto, and I'm a solutions engineer here at ServiceTitan. Today, I want to talk to you about new Dispatch Pro tools that allow you to control how automated you want your dispatching to be. We all know that managing multiple technicians, job assignments, and emergency calls can easily overwhelm a dispatcher. This constant juggling of tasks creates bottlenecks, slows down operations, and limits a business's ability to scale without hiring additional staff. That's where Dispatch Pro comes in. By improving workflows and giving dispatchers better control, we help streamline job assignments and ensure your business can grow without the need for more overhead. One of my favorite features is the flyout window because it gives me the job details without having to leave the board. And with Dispatch Pro, I can choose to have Dispatch Pro suggest optimal job assignments for me, or I can have the jobs automatically optimized for me. In a typical workday, I may spend 6 to 8 hours of the day just moving jobs around the board to try to match up the best technician to the best opportunity. In this scenario, my board might be full, I have a new high priority job come in, the system will look around, try to make room for it. If not, it's going to shuffle jobs around. There's a domino effect as we prioritize the highest ticket jobs, and the lowest ticket job will go off the board, warn me, and I can decide how I want to handle it. Don't want to reschedule them for tomorrow, don't want to have my guys work overtime. All that is up to me. I'm in full control, but this is going to allow me to prioritize the highest ticket jobs. Dispatch Pro introduces a new way to dispatch, offering customizable automations. Just by clicking on the gear wheel to get to settings and then clicking on settings under Dispatch Pro, we get to control how automated we want the dispatching process to be and strike that perfect balance. Do we want to go with the system mode, where Dispatch Pro will generate suggestions for our dispatchers? They could choose whether or not they want to accept it, or do we want to go with fully automated dispatching in auto mode, where the system takes care of most of the dispatching based on your settings and ServiceTitan data, and it gives you a hands-off experience that frees you up to focus on other priorities. Or maybe I want to switch back and forth. Maybe I want to go auto mode, so that way when I come in the morning, everything is already set up for me on the board, and I can switch back into assist mode when I come in. You can see here with our different settings, we can customize it and align it with what's a priority for your business. What's more important? Is it revenue? Is it routing? What's the max drive time I want to allow for my technicians between appointments? Maybe I want to tell the system, I don't want the system to bid on any routes longer than 60 minutes. From a technician standpoint, what's more important to me? Is it how they've done the last year, the last month, a combination of both? What's more important, the average ticket, the conversion rate? You get to customize all of that. Let me highlight how Dispatch Pro leverages data and AI to optimize job assignments. Our latest feature, Dispatch Assist, helps eliminate the manual workload and takes dispatch to the next level. We have two modes for Dispatch Pro. We have Assist mode or Auto mode. On the top right, you'll get to see which mode we're in. We're currently in Assist mode, and you can toggle back and forth under the settings page of Dispatch Pro and just switch back and forth as often as you like. You can maybe have auto mode start off the day overnight by having all the jobs assigned for you, but you can turn it back on when you come in. And what Dispatch Assist mode is, you're in control the whole time and you get to benefit from AI-driven recommendations. So on the job flyout, you'll see here that we have the option to have Dispatch Pro generate some suggestions for us. It's suggesting for one particular job that it be moved to another technician, and that there's a domino effect as, job number 2 gets rescheduled to another technician as well. Out of a typical day, I have so much I need to worry about. I have 20 technicians, I got 60 jobs on the board. I got to figure out, is Bob closest to the job before him? Does Ron have the right skills for the job? With Dispatch Pro, this is all taken care of for me because it's going to take into account all those different things. Whether or not they have the skills for the job, who's the best person for the job, recent job performance. It's going to take care of all that for me. So with a click of a button, all those jobs can be moved around and I can focus on what matters most, which is, maybe giving a nice personal touch. Maybe I want to wish my technician Ron happy birthday. Maybe I want to do that post-job wrap call I haven't had time to do. This will allow me to do that by automating all of it. The Dispatch Console is your centralized task management board. It helps you keep track of tasks, job assignments, and priorities based on your specific roles and settings. I can color code them based on priority, whether it be green for something not so urgent to red, which be a much higher priority. This replaces the to-do lists I normally have to keep track of in my head to make sure everything gets taken care of, nothing falls through the cracks. I can choose and customize and create rules for what causes something to appear here on the console, as well as what actions appear to solve it. So for this happy call reminder that's popped up for me to do, lets me know I need to give the customer a call, maybe ask them for a review. I can have the options to call the customer or chat with the customer. Maybe there's a post-job wrap-up call that I need to do. I can choose to have the available options pop up for me to call the technician or just resolve it. Maybe I need to confirm the next appointment. So we have the available actions to solve that to be either calling the customer, chatting with customer, or it could be that I have an unassigned job on the board that I need to take care of. So I can have dispatch assist generate some suggestions for me as far as making sure that job gets assigned to someone. Or after I finish clearing everything off the board, maybe there's only one task left on the board that I need to take care of on the console. I can always take a look at it, see how important it is. In this case, it's just parts are red. I need to let the technician know. I can always come in here. I can snooze it till tomorrow, enter a reason for snoozing it, and then I'm done for the day. Now, as far as getting to the console, we can get to it from the dispatch board, and the drop down, you'll have the option to open up your console here. I hope you were able to get some more insights on the newest features of Dispatch Pro, designed to marry efficiency with control. Explore our innovative features today and see how they can optimize your workflow.